everybody, Kebab Gaming here. Today we are not doing a gaming video because, yeah, it's just not getting much views. Okay, guys, come on. You see these targets over here? We are going to be shooting them if we can get any, okay? God dang it. Alright, let's try this again. Okay. No! Oh, I shot something. Oh! Shot! I did it! I shot it, but it didn't fall. Okay, guys? I'll show you. I shot this one. So this one shot. Let's just face it down like that. Try to get another one. Oh, what the heck? My gun working? What? Okay, guys. Let's get this bullet in. No, so close. So close, guys. That was a close one. You guys. Oh! You guys saw that, right? Yeah, that was awesome. Oh my god. Oh god, so close to shooting the next target. Okay, guys. Look how close we're getting now. Can't exactly shoot it. Okay. Alright. We gotta get these in. Get these shots in. No! Okay. We're gonna stop the video when we run out of ammo. See, guys, this is like our ammo. I know there's a glue stick in there so you can see it. But that's not ammo. Shot the glue stick again. Okay, guys. Hello, I'm doing an archery video. No! Okay. Hello. Oh. Okay, guys, we got a couple. Hopefully you guys like this video. Just looking at me shooting around targets. I mean, I got a couple down, but I never done a real life video in a while, so I thought I was going to do a real life video. Subscribe to be a part of Kebab Nation, and bye.